Walaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Right. Now I am going to remember you one thing. You must know the element's name and its symbol. I'm usually saying that this one is Na. This is the standard format. If the standard format is given, here we put the atomic number and here on the top we put the mass number. What is atomic number? Can anyone say what is atomic number? Can you say Hafsa or Sahla Basit? Can you say what is atomic number? What is the definition for the atomic number? Do you know that? Do you know or don't you? Right. The atomic number is, the definition for atomic number is the number of protons. The number of protons. So here, the number of protons is 11. In a neutral atom, number of protons and the number of electrons are equal. So number of electron is also 11. The neutron is subtracted from mass number minus atomic number is equal to the neutron. Right. For the electrons, we can write the electronic configuration. First cell there can be 2 electrons, second cell there can be 8 electrons, and the rest one is in the last third shell. So electronic configuration is 281. By seeing the electronic configuration, this belongs to group 1 because there is 1 electron in the last cell, and it belongs to 1, 2, 3. There are 3 shells with electrons. This belongs to period 3. We all should understand this one. Right. Now you all clear? Did you get this one? Did you understand this one? Did you get my point? Tell me. Now you tell me, did you understand this one or did you understand this one? Please reply. I am waiting for your reply. Please reply me. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, understood.
Right. Okay, very good. So now we shall move to the next one. I am going to give you a question. Right. So you should say that Li. Li, what elements were for which element the symbol is Li? Tell me, Li means what element? Please check the periodic table and answer me. Can you say Li means which element? Right. The name of the element Li is lithium. Right. Li means lithium. The atomic number of lithium is 3 and the mass number of lithium is 7. Now you tell me what is the number of protons here? How many protons are there in lithium? Anyone answer me, please? Do I have to explain this one or will you tell the answer? Will you tell me the answer or do I have to explain it again? What is the number?
Explain again.
Right, okay. Very good. Now you must listen to me. Here in the bottom, we put that atomic number. The atomic number is always equal to the number of protons.
Number of protons.
Yes. Now you tell me how many protons are here?
3.
3. Okay. Right. So I put here 3. What is the charge of the protons? The protons are charged with positive. The protons are charged with positive. The electrons are charged with negative. Right. The point is, in a neutral atom, the atoms are always neutral. In a neutral atom, the number of electron is equal to the number of proton. Now you tell me how many electrons are there? How many electrons are there? The number of proton is equal to the number of electron. So
3.
that, yeah, very good. The number of electron is also 3. Then we are going to find the number of neutrons. Neutrons are always neutral. It means they are not charged. Positive or negative, they are not charged. So that we find the number of neutrons by subtracting the mass number, by subtracting the atomic number from the mass number. So 7 minus 3, the number of neutron is equal to what? Tell me, 7 minus 3?
4.
Okay, the number of neutrons here are 4. Right, now you consider one thing. Here, 3 electrons. We should know how to write the electronic configuration. Right. There can be maximum 2 electrons in the first energy level. So I put 2 here. 2 comma. Right. Already it has 3. There are 3 electrons. I put 2 electrons. Then how many valence electrons are there? Oh, selling mommy. Oh. Oh. சரி நான் பார்த்துல சொல்லுங்க. Right, okay, there's a connection problem. Right, lithium, there is 3 and 7. So the electronic configuration is 2 comma 1. Do you know how to write electronic configuration? Do you know how to write electronic configuration? Sahla or Hafsa, do you know how to write electronic configuration? Yes, please reply me. Tell me. Can you hear me? Right. Please tell me, do you know how to write electronic configuration? Can you hear me? Right. Okay. If you know how to write the electronic configuration, then you must identify the group and the period. The last electron belongs to the group. The last number of electrons represent the groups. So lithium is in first group. So now here see that lithium is in first group. Here lithium is in first group. The number of cells, one cell and two cells. So lithium belongs to the second period and lithium belongs to the second period. So 1, 2. So we found that there is a lithium is in the first group and the second period. Did you clear this with this one? Are you clear with this one? Are you clear with this one?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. Okay. Now we shall move to the next one. I am going to give you another element. Right. I am writing the element BE. BE. So BE means this is what element?
Beryllium.
Yes, beryllium. What is the atomic number of beryllium? Here you see hydrogen.
4.
Yeah, very good. Atomic number is 4. Right. What is the mass number of beryllium? Here they put the mass number 1.01, 4.0, 6.91. This is the mass number. Now,
9.01.
yeah, 9.01. We assume that 9. Okay. 9.01 means 9. I assume that 9. Right. Now you tell me what is the atomic number?
4.
Right. What is the mass number?
9.
Okay. What is how many electrons are there?
4.
Okay. Right. How many protons are there?
4.
How many neutrons are there?
5.
5. Okay. Can you say the electronic configuration for this one? Electronic configuration means in which cells how many electrons are there. You find that one. Here 4 electrons. In first cells, in first cell, first energy level, how many electrons can be there?
Sir, 2, 2.
Yeah, very good. 2,2. Now you tell me beryllium belongs to which group?
Second group.
Okay. Beryllium belongs to which period?
Second period.
Okay, right. Very good. Now I am telling you that for your question, the mass number, you are asking about the mass number. Mass number means here you see that decimal point 9.01, 10.81. You assume this one. For example, 1.01 means 1. 4.00 means 4. 6.94 means 7. Like that you can assume. You don't need to mention. They will give you the mass number. You don't need to worry. They will give you the mass number in your exam paper. So you don't need to memorize or something. Right. Okay. I am going to give you another question. Right. You tell this one. B. B reference for which element?
Boron.
Okay, very good. Boron. Now you write the standard format of boron. Standard format. Standard format means you should put the atomic number and mass number. That is called standard format.
So should I write?
Yes, you should, please. Right, very good. 511. So now you tell me how many protons are there?
5.
Electrons?
5.
Neutrons?
6.
Electronic configuration?
2, 3.
Okay, right. Boron belongs to which group?
Third group.
Okay, which period?
Second period.
Right, okay. So very good. You are clear with this one. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Are you clear with this one, Hafsa? Hafsa, are you clear with this one?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, thank you. Now I am going to give you a homework. For these 20 elements, you have to write all these. You said number of, you first you have to write the standard format. Then you have to write the number of protons, number of electrons, number of neutrons, then the electronic configuration, then group, then period. For all these 20 elements. Can you write?
Yes, sir. Can.
Okay, right. So both of you, please do this as a homework and send it to me. Right. Now we shall move to the next one regarding this. The charged ions. Now we have studied about the neutral ions. We are going to study the charged ions. For example, this one is I am comparing the neutral ion and the charged ion. Right. Na, sodium 1123. This one is neutral ion. And Na 1123 plus this one is charged ion. Now, can you find the difference between the neutral and charged ion? Now, can you find the difference between the neutral and the charged ion? How it will be look like? So this one is neutral and this one is charged ion.
There is a positive symbol.
Sorry?
There is a positive symbol.
Yeah, positive symbols. Right, there can be negative symbol also. Cl minus, Cl 70, 34, 17, 35, 17, Cl minus, and Cl 17, 35. Yeah, this one is chlorine 1735. This one is, tell me, neutral or charged?
Neutral.
Okay. Cl 1735 minus. This one is a,
Charged.
okay, this one is charged ion. Right. Now we are going to learn that what is the meaning of plus and what is the meaning of minus. If you find plus, it means it lost electron. If you find plus, it lost electrons. So Na plus means how many electrons did sodium lost? Na plus means plus 1. How many electrons did sodium lost? One electron sodium lost. Right. If I put Mg2 plus, now you tell me how many electrons magnesium lost? Now you tell me how many electrons did magnesium lost?
So I didn't understand.
Okay, right. Now, if we put the positive plus for an ion, the meaning of that one is the element lost electrons. We always put plus for getting something. But here,
Yeah.
but here only we mention that plus means lost one electron. Plus means lost electrons. Plus 1 means lost 1 electron. Plus 2 means lost 2 electrons. Plus 3 means lost 3 electrons. Is that clear?
Then magnesium lost 2 electrons.
Yeah, very good. Magnesium lost 2 electrons. Now you tell me.
2 electrons.
Yes, very good. If I am writing Al3 plus, then how many electrons aluminium lost?
3 electrons.
Okay, very good. Now I am going to ask you, right, what is the atomic number of sodium? What is the atomic number of
What's
sodium?
the?
Yeah, tell me.
What did you say?
What is the atomic number of sodium? Sodium means Na.
11.
Yeah, 11. Right. 11 means how many electrons are there?
11.
Yeah, 11 electrons. Right. 11 electrons here. If I write Na plus, how many electrons did sodium lost? How many electrons did sodium lost?
11.
No, I'm asking you Na plus 1. How many electrons sodium lost?
1.
1. So already there was 11 electrons. Now how many electrons are there?
10.
Okay, 10. Right. Mg, magnesium. Mg2 plus. Right. Now you tell me how many electrons are in magnesium, Mg2 plus.
In magnesium,
Yeah, in magnesium, how many electrons
12.
are there? Yes, tell me.
12.
12. Okay, right. 2, what does it mean by 2 plus?
Lost electrons.
Yeah, lost how many electrons?
2 electrons.
Okay, lost 2 electrons. So now how many electrons are here? In
10.
my 2 plus.
10.
Yeah, 12 minus 2, 10. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Right. So this is what we are going to study in our today's class. Right. You can take a screenshot or copy it down. I will give you the charges of all these elements. I am going to give you
Okay, sir.
charges of all these elements. Right. Now you see that first group elements. What are the elements are there in first group? Tell me, what are the elements are there in first group?
Hydrogen,
Yeah.
lithium,
Yes.
sodium,
Yes.
potassium.
Right. Okay, very good. For all these first group elements, the charge is 1 plus. Put this in order. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus. Then start from the right side. 8th group 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Copy this one or take a screenshot this one.
Took, sir.
Right. Okay, very good. So that if I am going to ask you, I'm gonna ask you about, right, potassium. What is the charge of the element potassium?
Sir, only.
Yes, tell me.
No, sir, you have put that 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we can. How we can find that potassium charge?
Very good. +1 means for all the group 1 elements, the charge is +1. +2 means all the group 2
Oh,
elements, the charge is group 2. Now you tell me for the potassium, what is the charge?
+1.
Okay, very good. The atomic number of potassium is
19.
okay, 19. The mass number of potassium is
39.
yeah, 39.10. So 39. Now, how many electrons are there in potassium?
19.
Yes, 39 minus 19, 20. 20 minus 1, 19. Right. Like that, we shall see about the negative elements. Right. I am going to ask you about chlorine.
Sir, negative means also losing.
No, negative means getting the electrons.
Then adding.
Yeah, then we have to add them. So that chlorine 1735.
1735.
Yes, the charge is
-1.
yeah, -1. Now you tell me how many electrons are here.
$56.
No, you should 56.
No, sir.
Right. How many electrons are already there? If
Sir, 19.
right, wait. If we do not consider this one, this negative, how many electrons are here?
17.
Okay, right. Minus one means get how many electrons?
1 electron.
So what?
Then 16.
Yeah, 17 plus 1, 18, right?
Sir, 18.
18, right. Like the same, you tell me for oxygen. O2 minus. The atomic number is
2 minus. Atomic number 8.
mass number.
16.
Okay. Now you tell me how many electrons are there in O 8, 16, 2
10.
minus 1? 10. Very good. Right. Here also I have a homework for you. You should answer for every element using the charges. Earlier, you did without writing the charges. Here, you write with charges. For example, I gave you two homeworks. First one, if I take, you have to write for 20 elements. First one, you should take Na1123. Then here you should write the number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons. As well as here also, Na. What is the charge of sodium?
What, sir?
What is the charge of sodium? Sodium belongs to first group, so the charge is
+1.
yeah +1, right? 1123. So here also you write the number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons. Right. Consider this one. The neutral ion Na1123. How many electrons?
11.
Protons,
11.
neutrons.
23 minus 11.
Tell me 23 minus
12.
7. 12, right? Okay. Now you tell me for this charged ion, how many electrons are there?
10.
Okay, very good. How many protons are there?
11.
11. How many neutrons are there?
12.
12. Right, very good. So the number of electron only changes. Others remain same. Proton same, neutron same, neutron same. You have to write like this for each 20 elements. For this one and for the charged one. This is for your homework. Is this clear?
Yeah, sir, clear.
Right. Okay. Now we shall move to the past papers. Right. The meeting is going to end after 1 minute. After meeting finishes, you join again. We are going to do the past paper questions from our learning. Right. Now you practice the seventh one. Send me the answer for the seventh one. This is 2021 paper. This is 2021 paper, the last paper year. You do the seventh one. Can you see the question? Everyone, can you see the question? After finishing, send me your answer. Right, Sahla, I gave you a question to do 2021 7 question. So you can take the screenshot and send me your answer for this one. This is 2021 O level paper, seventh one. Did you take the screenshot? Sahla, did you take the screenshot?
Yes, sir, took.
Okay, right. Now you try.
Sir, seventh question, right?
Yeah, seventh question. Have you finished?
No, sir.
Right. Okay. Continue your trying. Right. Now you tell me potassium 1940, calcium 2040.
So I found
Okay. What's your answer?
fourth one.
Okay. Right. Wait. We will see. Fourth one. Your answer. Sum of number of protons and neutrons. Right. Very good. Your answer is correct. Right. So who said me answer? Sahla or Hafsa?
Sahla, sir.
Right. Okay. So what about you, Hafsa? Did you get the answer? Right. Okay. Now I am going to explain this one. Potassium 1940, potassium 1940, and the calcium is 2040. Right. Now you tell me how many protons are there. Now, Hafsa, can you say me how many protons are there in potassium? Hafsa, can you say me how many protons are there in potassium? Right. The number of potassium. Can you say, Sahla?
Protons,
Yeah, protons in potassium.
19.
Okay. Protons in calcium?
20.
Yeah, 20. Right. We learned the atomic number equal to the protons. Now you tell me how many electrons are here? How many electrons are there in potassium?
19.
Yeah,
Then 20.
yeah, then 20. How many neutrons are there?
Potassium, 21.
Yeah, 21. Calcium?
Calcium, 20.
Yeah, 40 minus 20, 20. Right. What is the mass number for potassium?
40.
Right. For calcium?
40.
Yes, okay. What does it mean by mass number? What does it mean by
That
mass?
means
What is the definition for mass number?
the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom.
Yes, very good. So here the sum of the proton or neutron are equal or not?
Yes.
So the answer is fourth one. Right. The number of proton or the atomic number is very unique to the element. For example, an NIC or your school index number. It's only for you. It never comes again or it never happened before. Like that, atomic number is unique for each element. Atomic number is unique for each element. 19 only for potassium. The atomic number 19 cannot be for another element. Only for potassium. Did you clear? Are you clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now we have finished. Hafsa, are you clear? Did you understand? Hafsa, did you understand? Right. Okay. Very good. Now we shall move to 2020. Right. 2020 paper. We search if there are any questions according to this. Right. Okay, there are no questions in the 2020. Then we move to the 2019. In 2019, I think there are some questions. There's one or more MCQs. Right. 2019 also there is no question. You also search for the question 2019. Right. Okay. We shall move to the 2018 paper. Right, there's no questions in 2018. Then we move to the 2019. Right, okay. 2019, 11th one. Try the 11th question. Right, now you all try the 11th question. Can you note the question 2017 11th one and 12th one? Please note this one as home. These are for homeworks. 2011, sorry, 17, 11th one and 12th one. Did you take a note? Did you note this one as homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So other year 2016. Right, I think I missed a question. I think there's 2020 or 2019, there might be a question. I think I missed one. Right, 2019, I think. Right, okay. Here is that 2019 36. Not this one also. 2019 36. Shall I move to the next year? 2009.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. So 2018, we already, right. 2018, 33. Not this one also. 2018, 33. Shall we move to the next year? Shall I move to the next year?
Okay, sir.
Right. 2017, 11th one. 11th one and 12th one. I think you already noted. Right. Then 2016. 2016, we shall look for that. Right. Okay. 2017, there's no one. And 2015. Right. 15 also, there are no questions. Right. So are you clear today's lessons, or do I have to clear anything? Both of you clear with this one? In our today's lessons, did you understand anything, or do I have to explain that? Do you have any clarifications?
Understood, sir.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any clarifications regarding this lesson, today's lesson?
No.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much for your cooperation for everyone, Sahla and Hafsa. Right. But please remember the homework and send me the answer in group. Okay. Thank you so much for joining.